Now, amid the war of words between the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Annamalai has hit back at M.K. Stalin, saying he's a con artist. That's the jibe that has come in, saying teach your children 3 languages and saying that this is double standards by the DMK. In fact, Annamalai has tweeted in this regard as well, and here's what he says. You're a con artist masquerading as a protector of our constitution and our federal structure. Usually, con artists scam the rich, but the DMK shows no disparity. They scam both the rich and the poor. The whole country now knows what the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu's family owns private schools that teach 3 languages and more, but opposes the same policy for the state government school students. They are calling you a hypocrite. And in fact, he has tagged M.K. Stalin as well. He says Tamil Nadu Chief Minister thinks the orchestrated drama by his party men in pockets here and there reflects the voice of the entire Tamil Nadu. It's also unfortunate that you haven't realized that your attempts to divert people's attention to insignificant matters have been exposed. Live in your blissful world of ignorance, Thiru Stalin. We will not disturb you. That's a tweet that has come in from Annamalai, who has hit out at M.K. Stalin. My colleague Varshini is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Varshini, clearly no end to the war of words over the language policy. First, it was Yogi Adityanath who only had a clear message. Why hate Hindi? The DMK then saying we don't need lessons from the UP Chief Minister, saying we have a problem not with Hindi but with the imposition, and now Annamalai has also waded in.
Absolutely, yes. It has now become more like a war of words between the DMK and the BJP when it comes to the language row. And we all have been seeing how the language row has been unfolding in the state of Tamil Nadu for the past couple of months. And with the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath speaking about how just for votes, the DMK is doing something like this, which is creating a hate, is what he stated. And now the Chief Minister spoke against it, saying this is complete irony of who is teaching about, spreading hate in the society. And now we're seeing the BJP State Chief Annamalai giving a rebuttal to the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin, where he speaks about how it is hypocritical on the Chief Minister's side to keep time and again speaking about how the language is very important to them and to not allow the 3-language policy, while the DMK run schools have 3-language policy and the children of the DMK leaders studying extra languages, including foreign languages. So there is a war of words that is continuing when it comes to the language row, where the DMK is speaking about Hindi imposition and the BJP speaking about Hindi hatred. So 2 things are going back and forth is what we are witnessing. We'll see what more is going to develop in this particular language row.
Okay, all right, because the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister responded to Yogi Adityanath and he said that we don't need lessons from you. On the other side, we see an attack coming in from Annamalai as well, who says that the DMK is also running several schools and this is hypocrisy by the DMK. Is the issue going to play out further? Varshini, time and again we're seeing that DMK has picked up the issue and is refusing to let it go. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister had also written letters time and again. So clearly there's not going to be an end to the issue as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned.
Absolutely, yes. The DMK has been fighting for the language rights of people of Tamil Nadu right from the 1960s. Okay. And the 2-language policy is something that Tamil Nadu has been very keen on continuing. Okay. Be it the DMK or the AIDMK, whichever party is in power, they've always...
So we're going to see that battle play out. Varshini, I'll have to leave it at that. Thanking you for joining us with those inputs.